In this video, I'll show you how to add audio in PowerPoint presentation. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So in order to add audio in your PowerPoint presentation, we just need to head to the option insert, which you can see at the top. Then here is the option for audio. So just click on this little arrow and here you can see two options, audio on my PC and the second one is record audio. If you click here, you can just record audio, but I just want to add audio from my PC. So in that case, I need to click on audio on my PC. Then here just locate to the folder where your audio is. Mine one is in the desktop, so I just need to double click on the audio file and you can see the file is now right here. So you can just move it according to you. You can just put it anywhere you want, and if you want to hide it during the slideshow, in that case you just need to click on the playback while selecting the audio, and here we need to tick this option if you want to hide it during the show. And in case if you want to play it across the all slides, you can just click here, and if you want to create a loop of this audio, you can just tick this option so that whenever the audio ends, the audio will get replay again. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can add audio in your PowerPoint presentation. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.